Hey everybody, welcome back to Feature Friday at Walnut Ridge. We're standing in a 2024 Puma 25 BHS, brand new floor plan for Puma this year. So we'll take a look around. Right as you walk in, they have the kitchen up on this front wall, kind of a different placement for a kitchen, but it's nice. Gives you some extra space in the living area. Large pantry space next to the refrigerator. Then another cool feature of these refrigerators they're using this year, open from this side, or you can open from the other direction, just something kind of fun they do now. This one has the jackknife sofa with armrest and cup holders in the middle. You get some extra storage down here. In my camper, that's where we throw all our pillows and blankets and all that. Nice big bathroom in the back. Has a nice big shower that Pumas are pretty well known for. And then over on this side, you get double bunks for the kiddos. About 300 pound, 350 pound weight limit on these bunks, so even some adults can sleep on those. And then you also have the dinette here that will convert into a bed as well. Right inside the door, you get a little cabinet area with some storage. See your coffee maker there, make it a coffee bar, whatever you prefer. And then up here in the bedroom, we have a nice queen size bed, wardrobe storage on either side, cabinets above the bed. And of course it has the bed flip up for storage, and a nice sliding barn style door which saves some space so you don't have the swinging door in your way all the time. So we're gonna head outside and look and see what it has out there. Alright, we're standing outside this Puma 25 BHS. You have your pass-through storage up here in the front, nice big open space. And then these Pumas are now equipped with power tongue jack and power stabilizer jacks, so no more cranking. We have a huge awning on this one. I've got it rolled out a little bit, so nice campsite coverage. Solid entry steps over here. Puma's upgraded to aluminum wheels this year, which is something different they did over 2023, so those even look better. They're a little more high quality. Another thing Pumas have right here, this TV mount. So you can actually take the TV that's mounted inside if you get one in there. Just pull it up off the mount, hook it up out here, and watch TV while you're outside. And then, last but not least, outdoor kitchen area, refrigerator, sink, and a nice griddle. So stand out here and make your breakfast. So come and see us this weekend at Walnut Ridge. We have plenty of these Pumas to go around. Hope to see you soon.